In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Doc inside a folder. Keeping your documents in the right place from the start saves time, keeps your drive tidy, and makes sharing permissions work exactly the way you expect. I'll show you two simple ways to create a Google Doc directly inside a folder you've already chosen, starting with the easiest one, followed by a quick shortcut. First, use what I like to call the Enter First method. Begin by opening Google Drive, then double-click the specific folder where you want the file to live. It's important to actually go inside the folder before you create anything. This ensures the document is stored there automatically, so you don't have to move it later. Once you're inside that folder, look to the top left and click the New button. From the list of options that appears, select Google Docs. A fresh document will open in a new tab. If the folder you're working in is already shared with other people, you may see a prompt that says something like Create and Share. Click Create to keep the document's permissions aligned with the folder. That way, anyone who has access to the folder will have the same appropriate access to the new doc, and you won't need to adjust sharing afterward. If you don't see a prompt, that simply means the folder isn't shared or no changes are needed. Either way, your doc is created inside the current folder. Now here's an even quicker option, the right-click shortcut. While you're inside the desired folder, find any empty white space, not on top of a file or subfolder, but a blank area in the folder view. Right-click that space to open the context menu, then choose Google Docs. That's it. The new document opens immediately, and because you triggered it from within the folder, it's saved there by default. If you happen to right-click on an existing item, you'll see options related to that item instead, so make sure you're clicking on the blank area. Both methods do the same thing. They create a new Google Doc that's already filed in the correct place. The Enter First method is great when you're navigating carefully through folders, while the right-click shortcut is perfect when you're already where you need to be and want to move fast. As you work, you'll notice the folder name reflected in Drive, confirming the file is exactly where you intended. And that's all there is to it. Two reliable ways to create a Google Doc directly inside a folder, keeping your drive organized from the start.